No. Hey, sexy, get in.
Come
on, let's
Back in this bitch. I live in.
Hey,
I live in here. Shelby's dirty ass van. She lives in here.
Call hoarders.
Mark Johnson.
Mark Johnson.
Mark Johnson. Mark, it's me.
I can't even read it. Who's it?
Me.
You're it? I'm Mark. Who's John?
I'll be John.
Who's son?
Me, I'm Son.
Okay.
I put a 16 and a 12 down there. You use this one. No. I put a 6. Can you do it? He did.
Oh.
Yeah, he did.
No.
Just.
What?
That's all you gotta do.
That wasn't that bad.
$1 margarita.
How small is this? This is the smallest finger.
You only put your fingertips in there.
Why do you even drill the thumb hole? There's no point.
Well, you put your thumb in there, but you don't put your.
I know you use it.
Yeah, the tips and then your thumb.
I don't trust myself. I'll let go of it. I put one finger when I spin. I hold the fucking ball. I do it the not right way. Oh, can you do it? Yeah, Shelby. I'm Shelby. It's okay, Mark. Better luck next time, huh? I heard that when I was like,
No! Jack and Jill went up the hill
with the bucket of quarters.
Yeah, Jill came down with 250.
Oh!
Yeah, that's Andrew Dice Clay.
I heard that when I was like 7.
He sucks.
Guys, look at the Steve Urkel fucking lookalikes right over there. I'm gonna shit on you, boy.
Stop it.
It's like, they're just like a couple t-shirts off of Carlton.
No. Oh my god, dude. You got a strike off that.
Do the bunny hop with it.
This one's gonna be real, right?
Didn't look real enough.
Show me your pants.
Look, if you look real closely, you can see his balls.
Best bowler here. Are you 18 yet? Okay.
Some fucking weak ass moonshine.
It's cuckoo juice.
But they show you how to tell what alcohol content it is. If you shake it and the bubbles go away really quick, high alcohol content. But this is just redunculous. It's not. God damn it. Yeah. The ass. Cheers.
It's stronger than the other shit.
Oh my god, it burns.
Can you hold my penis? Because that's gonna scare me. Just hold me. Hold me right in the crotch. Seriously, hold me in the crotch, because I'm gonna be scared.
Go ahead.
Okay, go.
Okay.
No, don't fist me in the fucking balls, you fucking cunt. Just hold it for me. I'm scared.
I'm gonna
hold yours.
Cheers. Yeah, just think of it like it's a dick.
Cheers.
Is that one better? Let me try.
Does it taste like cancer?
Oh god, that tastes worse than the other one.
Really?
Oh, that one's so much fucking tinker. It's
Cuckoo juice.
Delicious.
cuckoo juice.
Cheers.
It tastes like Lucky Charms if Lucky Charms was infested with AIDS.
We make our own liquor here.
We're from down south. No.
We're not even fucking
We're not even fucking hillbillies, but how awesome is it, like, that we get to enjoy, like, moonshine. I want to get my steps filled right now.
Right now?
Can you do it?
Jake, can you got like...
Just to get this, right here.
You want me to do the bricks? I can do the bricks.
No.
I'm not drunk yet. I'm not drunk yet. I can do the bricks.
No, I don't want anything crazy like that. I'm saying right now.
I can do the bricks.
Dude,
you said at the bowling alley you wanted me to do the bricks.
I was kidding. I watched, the thing was, I watched the movie Cool as Ice with Vanilla Ice, and he had bricks in his hair.
I can do the bricks.
No.
I can do the bricks.
No, I was being facetious when I said that.
Don't use those big words with me.
I can't even say that.
But seriously, if you can like make me a promise to just fill in the steps what you did right here, and like have nothing else, nothing bigger, nothing like anything like that.
Just a tip. Have you ever opened a mason jar? God.
You don't think you can do it?
How much?
Just like a shot.
We don't want to fucking kill it. Nope.
I'm only getting started. I won't black out. I won't black out. I've never blacked out before.
I blacked out once, crashed my car into a tree.
Oh, dude, those fucking like little dots hit.
Oh, what's up for Steve?
So a lot of you guys are mad that I stopped doing daily vlogs every day, but this is why. Look at the weather outside. Seriously, there is a blizzard brewing right now. Ooh, I hate that sound. My windshield wipers. I don't know how many inches it is. I think it's like, I don't know. It's probably like 6 to 8 inches. But I don't know, it's Friday. I was supposed to go down to Eastern and party, but I don't think I'm going anywhere in this weather, so I'm just gonna stay local. So back when I was like 18, 19 years old, before I could get drunk legally, like this weather, what we used to do is we used to I used to drive this old piece of shit Cavalier. And we used to tie a ski rope on the back of it and have like a saucer or like another kind of sled, and we'd call it skeechin'. And we'd go and we'd go out to the middle of nowhere, and we would just whip each other back and forth on the sleds. But it was fun. Very illegal. I think it's illegal to do that. But we were in the middle of nowhere, and actually we got my car stuck. I have some pictures of it. And yeah, like we wore a snowmobile helmet, and it was very safe, as safe as it could get. I'm just thinking, like, I don't do stuff like that anymore. Like sledding, I freaking hate sledding. Little kid, I loved it. Best activity ever. But now, like I went sledding last year when it was this bad, and I remember we brought a case of beer. I went down the hill once, came back up, and I told my friends, I was like, look, I'm just gonna sit up here and drink beer until we go home, and then I'll go down one more time. So the winter is officially old with me. Me and the winter don't get along as well as we used to. I tried to write my name in the snow, but I ran out of piss on the K.
I swear to God, if you throw this at my face.
I'm not throwing it at your face.
Look at how flexible you are in those skinny jeans. You're gonna juggle snow? Well played. You wanna do
Cute Entertainment Channel. One thing I gotta know. Can I drive your daddy's Lambo?
I want to see you driving, Mark.
Lambo. The first time I heard this song, I was like, "Can I drive your daddy's limo?" Like it's like dad was like a limo driver. I don't know.
It's Mark Johnson.